Hey there, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the issues for the Miele F11 error code. And what you need to do is this. So this is a block drain filter, and this is how you're going to do. It's going to be on the bottom left. You're going to have these two things or one thing. And what you want to do, you just want to put something like a bucket or something under it. You know, when you're out baking, you just want to put something like that under it because there can be a lot of water coming from it. It's a blockage right there. So what you want to do is you want to unscrew this and this. And then what will happen, the water will start going from it, or just like something debris, and then you just want to clean it out properly, then screw it back off, and then what will happen is that you're going to solve this issue. So let me know in the comments if it actually helped you. Maybe also the hose in the back can be like pushed up against a wall, so this is something you can also check. But primarily this is the solution for it. So it's a blocked drain filter, and you're just going to have to go to the bottom left. And then you're going to have like these two things that you're going to just unscrew, and this is how you should fix it. And I hope it's going to work out for you. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.